Hi there, I'm Emmy from Sandoczka. And first of all, I want to say a big thank you to the brand for sending me these adorable gummy bear silicone molds to try out. This set includes 4 mini-sized trays and 2 droppers, and they're made of BPA-free, food-grade platinum silicone. The molds are flexible, non-stick, and super easy to clean. In this video, I'll be showing you the whole process of making homemade gummy bears using gelatin. I'll start using the included droppers, which are great for precision. To speed things up a bit, I also used a 30cc syringe, which worked well for filling the molds more quickly. So, if you're someone who loves DIY treats or wants to make fun candy with the kids, this is a great little kit to have on hand. Stick around to see how the gummies turn out. I'll show you the full result at the end and give you my final thoughts. I was genuinely pleased with how they turned out. The shapes were clean, the gummies released super easily, and everything kept its form perfectly. To store them, I placed the finished gummies in small plastic bags, and they remained fresh and enjoyable to snack on. Thanks so much for watching and hanging out with me. I hope this demo was helpful. If you try it too, please let me know how it goes. See you in the next one.